In primetime news this evening, more confirmed deaths in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa.
A garbage crisis in western Jamaica. The NSWMA now seeking private contractors.
And the Ministry of Health warns that the country could face a possible dengue outbreak. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news with her shoes on today. Here is Andrea Chisholm.
Yes, a new one at that. Well, the toll operators are reporting an increase in profits. And how do businesses recover after Hurricane Melissa? Stakeholders want more support. We'll unpack those and more in the Business Day.
And Spencer Darlington's all decked out himself. What's coming up in the big show, Spencer?
Thank you, Archie. Well, following the passage of Hurricane Melissa, the Jamaica Premier League will resume on December 7. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
I like that. I love to hear that. There's also sports commentary. E-Prime and Romain will have the weather report and forecast later this evening. But before the break, Archie, the feedback question.
So this evening, we're asking, what measures do you think should be implemented to reduce learning loss in parishes affected by Hurricane Melissa?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us in News in Detail right after the break.